Guys, Naturally Marked here, and today I have a video that I've been waiting to do. I just got my product in the mail, so without further ado, I got the package and I got a fork because I can't find a knife. Don't judge me. This, oh my goodness, oh yeah, this is how you work a fork when you can't find a knife or scissors. This is so cute! Guys, would you look at that? I am doing a review for the Melanin Hair Care line by Naptural85. Whitney, my girl, my best friend, in my head. Y'all know I've talked about her on this channel, but I am going to give an honest review on these products so that, you know, if you lie to somebody, you're really not benefiting them. But I am going to give an honest review on these products, but I am so excited. So if you are interested in seeing this review, then just keep watching. Okay, so what is in here are cute little pictures. This is on her Instagram. Oh, and these cards are so thick. Cute little lollipop. Wow, that is a thick effing lollipop. That's hella thick. It didn't look that. I have these two products. The Style Elongating Cream, and I also got the oil. I did do the pre-order, guys. I could not grab my wallet fast enough. Y'all been here for a while. You know that Naptural85 helped me grow my hair, and the reason why my mini braids exist because of her mini twist. So I am gonna use these products on my mini braids because the ends of my hair are out. So I can still use these products on my mini braids, and that's what I'm going to do. This is a good quality package. Like, this is no BS. This is no BS. Oh my gosh. Why is that filled all the way up to the freaking rim? Wow. It doesn't have a smell to me. It has no smell. That is super creamy. So what I am going to do, oh my gosh, that packaging is so cute. Let me smell this, the oil. This one has more of a minty smell. The oil has more of a minty smell. Like a, almost kind of like a medicine minty smell to me. That's what it smells like. But I am going to go wash my hair out. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so now that we're in the shower, I got my two products. My hair is already washed out, so I'm just gonna go in and start adding the styling cream to my hair. And I'm really focusing on all of my hair, but I have just realized that I didn't get all of the product out of my hair that I had previously washed my hair with. So I feel like this is another reason why this video was doomed. I am so sorry to say that, but I completely effed myself up from the get-go because I did not get all the remaining product out of my hair. But I still wanted to show you guys this video because in spite of me not washing my hair out completely, these products still left my hair hella moisturized. My hair was so soft, like I couldn't believe how soft my hair was, but my hair did not fully dry and it left like a couple of white stuff, like white strands in my hair. As you can see, this was already a fail before I even knew it. So I am going to do this again with my hair thoroughly washed out. So I am going to put a plastic bag on my hair because I needed to get out of the shower at this point. But I did use the multi-use oil on my body, on my face, and I'm telling you guys, my body was so moisturized. Like, it is not even a game how moisturized my body was, but I still can't get over the smell because it smelled like a minty medicine smell, but it moisturized my skin and my hair very well. So just to let you guys know, great. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I am going to take this plastic bag off of my head really quick, but I have already applied the Twisting, Elongating Styling Cream, and I also put oil on my body. So I can tell you right off the bat that I really don't care for the smell of the oil, but one thing that I will have to say, it does not leave my skin greasy. I did put it on my body, and hence that's why my face is a little shiny. I'm not greasy. I put it everywhere. I feel hydrated, moisturized, but I don't feel greasy. Even though I look greasy, I'm not greasy. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I'm just moisturized, but I don't care for the smell. It smells like a medicine, something that I can't put my finger on, but that's what this oil smells like. Applying the cream in the shower on my hair. Y'all know how my hair sucks up product, right? Look at that. Like, I didn't even put a dent in this product. Now, I am gonna have to do another video with my hair out and with me doing an actual twist out, because that's what this cream is for, even though it says that you can use it as a wash and go. When I was putting it on the ends of my hair, I don't think I can do it as a wash and go by itself. Now that I am out of the shower, I am going to put my flaxseed gel on the top of it because I don't want my hair to puff up. I want it to stay curly. So I have my infused rosemary flaxseed gel. I put rosemary oil in here, and I also boiled rosemary in the water, and then I put the flax seeds in there. I'm gonna have that video uploading soon, but this is what I'm going to use for the ends of my hair. And because I have braids in my hair, I'm gonna see if the white disappears. So this is what the ends of my hair look like, guys. So I'm gonna take some of this flaxseed gel and I'm gonna just put it on the ends of my hair. Without Natural 85, there will be no mini braids. She did mini twist on her hair. I tried mini twist on my hair, but it just didn't work. And that's what I be telling you guys. If you find someone that you like, but their technique, like what they do to their hair, don't work, just try to do something similar, but make it your own. So that's where my mini braids came from, was from naptural85 mini twist. And these mini braids last so much longer, and I'm dripping this all over myself. So I'm gonna stop talking and just put this on the ends of my hair. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get closer. You guys, I think I actually put too much of the cream on my hair because my hair is really white, and I think I put too much on there. Wow, this product goes a long way. So just remember that, okay? So I am praying to God that I didn't put too much product in my hair, and I pray that it dries correctly so I can show you guys great results in it's 9 o'clock at night right now. Hopefully it dries in the morning. Okay guys, it's the next morning and it is 9 a.m. so I'm going to see if my hair is dry. Take this off. Don't feel like it's dry, but we'll see. Oh, it's not dry. Not all the way dry. It's okay. Ooh. It's not dry. It's not dry. It's okay, because I can take my blow dryer and get the white out of it, but I think I'm gonna go get my dryer just to get the white out of it. But this is what it's looking like. Let me see. So I'm gonna go get my dryer to see if I can get some of the white out. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like it's kind of built up from the flaxseed gel. That's what it looks like now that I have went and looked at it in the mirror. It looks like it's built up from the flaxseed gel, but I'm gonna use the multi-used oil. So I'm just gonna put that in my hand like this, and I'm going to put it on the front of my hair, and I'm gonna rub it through. Okay, so these are the final results. I did diffuse my hair for like probably 5 to 6 minutes. I really don't like to diffuse my hair, so my hair is probably 80% dry. So there are still some white strings in there, but a lot of them, as you guys can see, has disappeared. And I also think that it was from the flaxseed gel that I put on my hair as well. So I'm going to try this again. I'm going to try moisturizing my hair with the Melanin Hair Care again without putting flaxseed gel with it, just to see if it doesn't flake up, because I noticed that I did have some flaking around my edges, but like the hold of my hair, how soft my hair is, it's remarkable. For one, I put too much product in there, so a little of this goes a very long way. Like, you guys know how much product I use in my hair. A little of this goes a long way. Don't put too much in your hair because it goes far, real far. And if I'm saying that, like, y'all know I use a half of a bottle when I use hair products, period, on my mini braids, or even when my hair is just out. The oil, I did put this oil all over my body, and I just put it in my hair, and this is how much I used. Like, these products, like, together are like $45, so it's pretty expensive, but I will have to most definitely say this is worth it. This is a pretty cool oil. The only thing that I don't like about it is the smell. So just because my own personal preference, it does what it's supposed to do, but I don't want to knock it just because of the smell, because somebody else, I've seen other reviews and people say that this smells like cocoa butter or something like that, and I don't smell nothing. And with this, people say that they don't smell anything, but it smells like a minty medicine type of smell to me. So that's just the difference. But does it work? Yes. Does my skin feel hydrated because I did use it on my body? Yes. Does my hair feel hydrated? Yes. So I will have to say, like, these two products are most definitely a thumbs up, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a fangirl for naptural85, but I'm just saying, like, this works. It really works together. So I will most definitely be repurchasing this. I don't know when, because this is a pretty big bottle. It's big. It's huge. Like, this bottle is huge, and I don't know, it's probably gonna last me a while, but I am a week away from my 2 months with my mini braids in my hair, and I have 4 more months left. So it's probably gonna be a while before this container is empty at all. But my overall thoughts and reviews, I absolutely love these two products. You guys, we need to support people like this, are making their own hair companies in the black community. I'm gonna just put it out there and say it. Like, we need to start supporting people like this. So hopefully she comes out with more, like a shampoo, conditioner, and more of a lighter combination for people that have thinner hair. Because if you have thin hair, this is, I don't know if it will weigh your hair down, but it's pretty thick. And I know a lot of people may not like the thick consistency, but for my hair, this is what's up. This is what's up. Please, you guys, support naptural85. So if you guys love these results, please give it a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about the Melanin Hair Care down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.